Hey guys, wanna know how to disable or block your location in OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. You don't even need to open up the OkCupid application to block the location. What you can do is make sure you have your application installed and just simply hold your application until you see this icon right here. Just simply click on this setting icon and then right here scroll down until you see app permissions. Just simply press on it, and right here under allowed tab you should see something known as location. Click on it again. Now right here there should be allow only when using the app. Now since you want to block it, just simply select don't allow, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can go back, and right here you can see under not allowed there is notifications. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.